If she's into coloring.
She likes to color?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh,
what's that? Reggie.
How?
Yes, keep doing it.
I'm gonna try it out this side. What is
Put
it?
it up there.
What does it mean?
Keep it open. What is it?
What could it be in there? Is it something for Millie?
What is it, Niece? Come over here.
Turn it around.
Look. Happy birthday to me.
What is it, Millie?
Look. Millie, look at it.
What is it?
Whoa, what is that? Look.
I know what would be that.
What is it?
Weebles.
She already has 3.
Well, now she has a tree house and 4 more.
That's crazy. It's just like the old-fashioned treehouse.
What is
Is
that?
it?
Is that a toy for you?
This one's musical.
Yeah, I've seen this commercial for it.
Yay! You're welcome, baby!
Say thank you.
You're welcome!
Thank you.
Go tell her, give her love, and say thank you.
You're welcome, honey. Mwah.
Tell Grandma.
That's from Grandma and Grandpa. Tell Grandma, me.
Tell Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah, Grandma. That's from Grandma.
You're welcome, baby. I love
Tell
you.
Grandpa behind you. Look,
Tell
behind
Grandpa thank you.
Grandpa's right there. Say
Tell
thank
Grandpa,
you,
love
Grandpa.
Thank you.
Look.
Love you, baby girl.
Give him a hug.
It's like, I'll hug Grandpa, but I don't like Grandma.
She didn't like me for a long time either.
Well, she was getting better until I made her take the toys in there.
Play with your Weebles.
My bad. Yay, she said.
What is it, Zoe? What did Millie get for her birthday?
You like it?
That was so fun.
That is pretty cool. Yep.
Get it out for her.
Say happy birthday, Millie.
No, Grandma, cheese. Millie.
Millie, do you cook Grandma?
Say cheese. Say peace.
Peace.
I love you.